Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence, right within the app you use every day. Get ready to learn how to create your very own personalized AI directly inside the Messenger app on your iPhone. That's iOS 18 or later, so make sure you're updated. Let's jump in and unlock this cool new feature. First things first, launch your Messenger app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the menu icon. It looks like 3 short horizontal lines. Now, gently scroll down this menu until you spot the option that says Create an AI. Tap on it. Next up, you'll be asked to describe your AI. Think about how you want it to appear or look. Just type in your description in the text field. Now, let's shape its personality. Describe the kind of personality you want your AI to have, and then tap Next to continue. In this next menu, it's time to choose an image for your AI. If you like the pre-generated image, simply tap Next. If you want something unique, tap Create Image, and then enter your desired prompt to generate the perfect visual. Time to give your AI a name. Key in your preferred name and then tap Next to proceed. Now let's give your AI a voice. Write a short introduction for it. You can type your own message or pick from the preset prompts at the bottom. Once you're happy, tap the Next button. Almost there. On this screen, tap on Audience to control who can see your AI. You can set it to anyone, public, your Facebook friends, or yourself only. If you choose public access, you can further configure where your AI will appear. You can show it on Messenger and Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Just tap the switches to turn on your desired apps. Once you're done setting up your audience, go ahead and tap on the big Chat with AI button. And just like that, your very own AI is ready to go. You can now start chatting with it, and if you made it public, your chosen audience can interact with it too. So there you have it. Creating your own AI in the Messenger app is surprisingly straightforward. This feature opens up a world of possibilities for personalized interactions, creative brainstorming, and even just having a unique digital companion. As AI technology continues to evolve, having the power to create and customize your own AI within familiar platforms like Messenger is truly exciting. It puts a touch of the future right at your fingertips. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorial videos like this. Also, let us know in the comments what kind of AI you created. Until next time, stay tuned to this channel